Here's the trading guide with a video for break and retest. In that I will show you a strategy for entering trades on lower time frames for higher profits. Here we are on the Euro-Yen and the 1 hour time frame, and I saw here a zone of support. You see here this rejection to the downside, these quite huge wicks. Then a strong move to the upside, followed by a large bearish candle that is breaking the support. So what I'm waiting for here is price coming back up, retest, and then going down again. So this is what I expect, or at least hope that it will look like. Price coming back to the zone, then bounce off and going down again. But nobody knows if price is respecting the zone. It could go up even more, or perhaps reverse to the upside. So what can I prove? No indicator can tell me that because it is lagging. I have to check price itself. Okay, but first of all I have to know how much profit I can take if price is hitting the zone and then reversing to the downside. And the first level is where price had been before. At this wick here, this will be my first potential take profit. So let's see what price is doing. I continue the replay. And then yes, it is going up. That's great. Now price is coming to the zone. I have a rejection wick here. Of course I can take a risky trade here by adding a limit order, expecting price is coming into the zone and then going down. And then my take profit as defined, which would be a good trade, but as I said, who knows if price is really going down. And the other option is to use a large stop loss at the open price of the candle, but of course the risk to reward is just too bad. So we see this is not an option, and also waiting for the next candle at this 1 hour time frame is also not the best idea. Let's assume you get a big candle, a big bearish candle, then the whole move is just gone, you know? So what I do at this point is to go to a lower time frame. I use here the 5 minutes, and then I wait for a price action, some pattern telling me that the price is going down. What you can use as helpers is to use some exponential moving averages, but it is not required. But it's nice as a confirmation that price is going below the 50 EMA or breaking the 8 or the 20 EMA. I use here the 8, the 20 and the 50 EMAs. But at the moment we don't see price reversing to the downside. So continue the replay, but in a live trade you would just wait and see. So what we get here is some indecision candles, some dojis, and then price is dropping. It is dropping below all the EMAs, and it is also breaking this previous low. Okay, so I'll go ahead and enter the trade at the close of this bearish candle. Stop loss pretty tight at the open price of the previous one, and the take profit as defined. And we see the risk to reward ratio is pretty good. It's 1 to 2.8. Alright, so let's play this out, and you see the first take profit is hit easily. So what you can do now is you can just say, okay, that's it for this trade. I just take the money and go, which is fine. Or you move your stop loss to a ratio like, let's say, 1 to 1, or to a price level that you see on the left side, or perhaps just some amount that you don't want to lose again. So the worst thing that can happen now is that price comes up again and you're stopped out and just earn a bit, or your stop loss is not hit and you're earning more. The best position for a trader. You can't lose money. No matter what, this will be a profitable trade. One method to stay in the trade is to see if price is respecting the 8 EMA, if it is not closing above it in this case. And when it does, you close the trade. So let's see when this happens at this candle, which is crossing the 8 EMA and then closing. So let's see the profit if we'd close the trade here. And this is a 1 to 6.4 ratio. In other words, if we go short with one lot, we are risking $81 and the profit is $521. And of course for 2 lots it's a 1K trade. Not bad, running about 4 hours. Okay guys, that's it again. I hope you liked it. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. In the next one I will show you some tricks for support and resistance, and check out my free indicators for TradingView, the link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add these to the comments and I'll see you guys in the next one.